ये प्लान ठीक है या अभी भाग चलें?
This is absolute
फिर सैर चला उड़ के छोड़ा है जहान नीचे मैं तुम्हारे अब हूँ हवाले हवा अब दूर दूर लोग बाग मीलों दूर ये वादियाँ फिर धुआं धुआं तब हर बदली चली आती है छूने पर कोई बदली कभी कहीं कर दे तन गीला ये भी ना हो किसी मंजर पर मैं रुका नहीं कभी खुद से भी मैं मिला नहीं ये गिला तो है मैं खफा नहीं शहर एक से गांव एक से लोग एक से नाम एक फिर से उड़ चला मिट्टी जैसे सपने ये किताबी पलकों से झाड़ो फिर आ जाते हैं इतने सारे सपने क्या कहूँ किस तरह से मैंने तोड़े हैं छोड़े हैं क्यों मेरे साथ चले मुझे लेके उड़े ये क्यों डाल कभी पात पात मेरे साथ साथ फिर दर दर ये कभी सहरा कभी सावन बनू रावण जीव मर मर के कभी डाल डाल कभी पात पात कभी दिन है रात कभी दिन दिन है क्या सच क्या माया है
We are heading to the Punrik Lake and it's like a trek and we have to go all the way somewhere there and then there's like a trek for 2 hours and then we'll be reaching Punrik Lake. So come along!
रंग बिरंगे वहमों में मैं उड़ता फिरूं रंग बिरंगे वहमों में मैं उड़ता फिरूं
Hi! Hello! Hi! Hi, Cutie!
And as always, there's definitely a dog in Himachal with you.
And as we all know, there will always be a dog right there for you. She walked ahead of us like she knew the path better than anyone. हर थोड़ी देर में she would stop, turn back and check if we were coming. And honestly, we trusted her fully. The higher we went, the quieter it got. No chaos, no city noise, no distractions, just stillness. The kind that you don't hear often anymore. You know, कभी कभी मुझे लगता है God doesn't just bless us with moments, He blesses us with people. Family, siblings, your partner, they're not just a part of your life, they are the feeling of home. Standing there in that silence, that beauty, I realized something so deeply. हम सब एक ही चीज़ देख रहे थे, same mountain, same sky, same moment, but feeling it together made it something else. And then we finally reached to the top, the Punrik Lake. और season की वजह से, though the lake was covered with the greens and grass, but the stillness there was beautiful. And that silence, it wasn't empty, it was powerful. जैसे हर चीज़ रुक के बस exist कर रही हो, और हम भी. और शायद यही तो mountains का magic होता है, right? It's not just about the views, it's about the people of the mountain and that invisible spiritual energy जो हर चीज़ को hold करके रखती है. And we found out this cute little cafe called Dadu's Cafe, where this cute little Dadu was working. And it was so nice, and the chai and Maggie we had there was just so lovely. बहुत सारे लोकल से पूछते पूछते we reached this beautiful place in the village, Theory Village, the school and the meadows. It was just lovely, and trust me, if this is how my school looked like with this views, I wouldn't be absent a single day.
Apparently, Cookie is not giving us. Cookie,
Cookie,
Cookie.
let's go. चलो.
आप घर चल रहे हो हमारे साथ? चलो.
चलो.
चलो दिल्ली चलो. चलो.
पानी.
And this was the day one. Good night. This morning we woke up to this beautiful view, and then we had breakfast, and then we came up with an amazing idea. You know, one of those plans जो suddenly बनते हैं and they turn out to be the best. Come along to find out where we're going. We reached Manali, and you know the reason why we came back? It's because of these cute little creatures. They called us back. ये लोग हमें वापस ले आए. When we were kids, our parents brought us to Manali, and I remember there's a picture of my sister with that bunny. And since then, I've always wanted to come back here. And here we are. The plans, the sudden plans, are always the best. It was time for us to go back to the Sanj Valley.
Welcome to Shanghai.
Finally.
So, guys, we are finally here in Shanghai, and when I tell you, the way to Shanghai is not at all easy, and it's very scary. Our car was like slipping and stuck in like
muddy.
kichad, basically. And now we are heading to the meadows, and yeah, it's cold here.
And then we finally reached the Shanghai Meadows.
I wish rainbow बन जाए. God, please, हमें एक rainbow दिखा दो.
But getting there, not easy at all. बारिश की वजह से the path was slippery, थोड़ा scary. Every step felt like a challenge. And then that moment, the view just opened up. Endless green, soft, dreamy, unreal. And honestly, I was like, how does something so perfect even exist? And then we heard a story. Locals कहते हैं जब पांडव्स वनवास के लिए यहाँ आए थे, they were guided by the deity of this place, और उन्होंने बोला था यहाँ पर स्वर्ग जैसा स्थान बनाओ, a place where heaven can be felt on earth. And this is what they created, a piece of heaven right here. और ये हमारे सफ़र के सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मेंबर लालचंद भैया, टिम्बर नेस्ट कॉटेज, जिनका कॉटेज है. इफ़ यू वांट लुक फॉर अ स्टे एंड इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समवन हु कैन ड्राइव यू अराउंड, दिस इज योर मैन.
So after visiting Shangar Meadows, and they were heavenly, we are on our way to the Shangar waterfall. So we came from all the way from Meadows. Now it's like a 11-minute trek to the waterfall. And yeah, are we excited? Absolutely. Yes. How excited are you? Huh? How excited are you? There's a freaking honeybee on my face. How excited are you, Abhishek Bhardwaj?
I'm excited.
And just like that, it was time to check out. Time to go back home, to our parents, to our everyday life. Before leaving, we all just stood there praying to God for this beautiful trip, for this journey, for this bag full of dirty laundries and memories, for this place. And in that moment, we didn't feel empty. We felt full of memories, full of love and gratitude.
So we are finally checking out of this beautiful property called Himalayan Cedar Nest, and we want to thank this beautiful place for taking such good care of us, and we want to thank the owner, Mr. Satish ji, for taking such good care of us. This has been such a beautiful place to stay at, as you can see, and you will see in the rest of the vlog. Yeah, I think it's time to leave. Until next time, adios. Jump.
And maybe that's what a perfect trip feels like. When you leave, but a part of you stays back, and a part of that place comes with you. Grateful, complete, and blessed.
मैं उड़ता फिरूं